Hi Andrew, this is Kobe. I'm going to show you some shoulder terms of movement. So shoulder elevation, shoulder depression, shoulder abduction, shoulder adduction, shoulder circumduction, and external rotation of shoulder, internal rotation of shoulder, shoulder extension, shoulder flexion. And now I'm going to show how to do hip abduction and other terms of movement. So hip abduction, hip adduction, and then hip circumduction. External rotation of hip, and then internal rotation of the hip. So that is the internal rotation, hip flexion and extension. So this would be hip flexion, or maybe if I can straighten my leg, and then hip extension. So now I'm going to do shoulder and forearm. So shoulder or scapula retraction, scapula protraction, forearm supination, forearm pronation. So now I'm going to do ankle dorsiflexion. Let me show you. So there's dorsiflexion, and then plantar, or maybe do it this way, plantar, how do you call it? Plantar flexion. Spinal flexion, spinal extension, lateral flexion of spinal, maybe to the right and then to the left. Okay. So now I'm going to show the anterior tilt of the pelvis, or what Alana calls a duck butt, and a posterior tilt of the pelvis. Foot inversion. I don't know if you can see my foot. So inside, foot exversion. So it would be something like this. Let me go back so you can see. So foot exversion and then foot inversion.